Bitch. I know I've been gone a while, but I'm back. Welcome, it's me, BB, and I hope you're having a lovely week. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this beautiful look that I'm going to be rocking today for my friend's birthday little get together. And guys, I will be discussing little things that irk me about millennials and the new gen of kids today. All this will be coming off, and I will see you in 3, 2, 1. So I've put my eyes and I'm ready to put on some eyeshadow. And today I will be using this palette here. This Makeup Revolution palette by Petra. And it has 36 eyeshadows. And it was in the sale, of course, because it's me. But it was in the sale, and look at that. Actually really nice, you know. First colour I want to get into is Candy Apple. Okay, one of my biggest pet peeves about the generation of today is the fact that everyone wants to snap everything. Like, everyone wants to record everything. Like, you can't literally just live life and have not one camera in your face. Like, if you accidentally sleep on a train because you're tired from working, you may wake up to someone recording you, trying to slyly record you. Everyone wants to record, like, a fight. Everyone wants to record an argument. Everyone wants to record something before they even step in. Before they even step in to help, everyone wants to record it. Even unfortunately, when it's as serious as like someone being like attacked, people would rather record it before calling the police, before calling authorities. They are gonna record, and it's so friggin' annoying. Like, I feel like everyone feels like they're on their own reality show, and everyone really cares to tune in, and we really don't. Like, call me old school. I'm not the type of person to snap everything, to record everything. Even the wedding I went to, like, I only took pictures because I wanted to put it on my Instagram. Just to show you how bomb my eyeshadow was, and let me insert that now. Yeah, pretty dope. But yeah, I only took pictures because of that. Okay, and I'm gonna put some in the corner here as well. Yeah, so I only took pictures because of that, but it's just so jarring. Like, when I see everyone just wants to record, it's like, doesn't anyone live in the moment anymore? Like, it's not that anyone's gonna ask for receipts. Like, did you really go to that event? Did you really do that? No one cares like that. Like, it's just so annoying. Let me know if you agree with me as well. Like, with how everyone just wants to record everything nowadays. It's like getting a bit out of hand and a bit too much, personally, to me. Like, I just think we don't need to record everything. And it's not even like people are doing it like for a journal of theirs. You guys are just doing it to like stun on other people. It's like kind of shallow. It's like all shallow reasons or like ridiculous reasons, like to go viral, and I think it's quite disgusting. Now I'm gonna add some depth into it, into the corner right here, and make it a little bit darker here. So I might add the dark purple. What's my second one? So my second one is the hunger to go viral. Like, everyone wants to go viral right now, and it's like ridiculous, personally, to me. People are more like focused on getting viral. People, like, it's got to a day and age where people are more hungry to get viral, to become viral, than to get a degree. Like, which is actually quite sickening. When you think about it, it's like, wow, how shallow has everyone become? Everyone wants to have a viral video. Everyone wants to be popping on socials. Everyone wants all of that. And it's like, sometimes it's like without even any talent behind it. I don't know, I just think like the older I get, the more I see it. Like, everyone wants to be trending. Everyone wants to say something. And it's not even like just normal people. When I think about it, it's even like celebrities. Like, they do things just to become viral as well. And it's like sad. Like everyone wants to be the popular kid in school. So that's what we're dealing with in today's day and age. And it's like, it's a bit tedious. Like, you now question everything, and nothing seems to be genuine anymore. Okay, so I'm gonna now go into my Kami Make Magic palette, because I want to put green in there. So I'm gonna use the camera, because this palette unfortunately does not have green, but I will top off the green with this color here. I think it's gonna be a nice quick look, because I have somewhere to be, and I kind of don't want to do too much because it's not my birthday. Speaking of that, another pet peeve of mine for this new generation, the millennials and all that, is the fact that everyone wants to floss on the gram. Like, everyone wants to look like they're living the best life on their Instagram, or like, everyone just wants to put everything on Instagram. Like, not everything is for the world to see. like I always say, like not everything's for the world to see, because you don't know who is actually a friend or foe deep down. And like everyone wants to floss on gram. Like you're wearing the latest Gucci stuff. You're wearing the, even though Gucci should be cancelled by people of color, if you know what I mean. If you know, then you know. But like people want to wear the latest like Prada, latest Chanel, Dior bags, but you don't have savings. Like, where's everyone's morals gone? Like, I don't understand life. Like, I actually don't understand the generation that are here today, because the new generation is like, they would rather buy the latest clothes and live that, oh, you only live once lifestyle, but they have no savings. Like, if any of you are living that lifestyle, like from check to check, please listen to what I'm saying, because do you have savings? Hello? Jesus Christ. Do we have savings, guys? Do we have savings? That's the question. It's like mind-boggling. Mind-boggling. I'm going into this monochrome called Queen Bee. Oh, perfect for me. Yeah. And let's see how it looks. Like, do you have savings? Like, you want to go viral, you want to be popping, you want easy money, and then when you get the easy money, if you do pop like that, do you even have savings? Like, do you have a plan? Or is it just to then do the same thing, floss and go viral again, and wait for the next check so you could just floss and go viral again? It's like a stupid cycle. Like, it's ridiculous. I think I need it to shine a bit more. Let me go into Make Magic here. Add a little bit of like bluey shimmer. Another thing about the millennials of today, or the people, this generation of today, is everyone wants a quick fix. Like a quick, no one feels like you see a lot more people that want quick fixes than people that are happy with themselves. Like, I don't know how I would be if I grew up in this generation. Like, I already had insecurities as a child. Like, I was insecure about my lazy eye, I was insecure about my weight. I'm not insecure anymore, but because I'm doing something, I'm going gym. But I was insecure about my weight and everything. And as a child, yeah, I felt it, but it wasn't like anyone was like pushing it in my head. It was really me, myself, and me comparing myself to other people. But I didn't have like Instagram, and Facebook didn't really show people with like bodies like this. Like, we've gone from normal bodies to Instagram bodies, and everyone wants that same look. And it's like, there's no one original. That's another thing about today. Like, who is original? Like, no one is original anymore. And it's worrying, because it's like, yo, like, in 3 years' time, is everyone gonna have the same body? Like, everyone's doing lips, everyone's doing Brazilian butt lift, everyone's doing breasts, everyone's doing all of that. And to me, body goals when I was younger was like more Beyonce. And I do think Beyonce's done a bit of nip and tuck here, but you know, it's very subtle. Like, the influencers that like are wearing Fashion Nova and their ass is fat. You guys are looking like ants. Your ass is too big, your legs are too... Kim Kardashian. Your ass is too big, your legs are a toothpick thin. Do you know what I mean? Like, how... It's like putting a donut on a toothpick. Like, put a donut on a toothpick and look how stupid that looks. Do you get what I mean? It's like everyone's looking like ants. And it's like, ew, like, what are we doing? This is not body goals, guys. It's not body goals at all. Because body goals, yeah, it should also coincide with health goals. And you should look after your body as much as you look after your health. Because what you put in is what you bring out. So at the end of the day, if you do have body goals, let it be like this with your health. I think I'll be done out if I grew up in this generation. Like, I'll be looking at all these bodies and everything. I know someone, she might even be watching this, who her body is amazing. She's got a fat butt, a nice small waist, everything natural. And she still even told me that she wished she could do a little bit of work. And I was like, what are you talking about? Who is normal anymore? Like, normal beauty has been thrown in the bin. Like, no one cares about normal beauty. And I can't wait for it to come back into fashion. Like, I can't wait for people to be like, do you know what, that normal girl over there is way better than fucking that bitch that has everything done over there. Another thing that I've noticed as well, and I noticed this at the wedding I went to, I've been noticing this, like, no one wants to have sober fun anymore. Like, this I'm not even joking, like, I'm not even hating on this generation, they're legit done out, this new generation. Like, no one wants to have sober fun, and I don't mind a little drink here and there. Like, y'all know I don't mind a little drink here and there. Like, have a little shot or whatever if you're in a club, that's fine. But when it's like people want to have to smoke weed to enjoy a party, or do balloons to enjoy a party, or eat edibles, it's like, oh my gosh, like you guys can't, like no one seems to want to be happy being themselves. Like just sober fun and just enjoying your life. Like what the heck? Not only are you snapping it for your reality TV, but you're under the influence too. Like come on, man. Shout out to everyone who can have sober fun. Just shout out to everyone who can have sober fun. Like you guys are the real MVPs. Like for real, like Sarah, my sister, can have sober fun. Like she'll dance her ass off, and she's driving anyway, but she'll dance her ass off, and you think she's drank something and she's fine. Like shout out to all you guys. And imagine we're shouting out people. I'm shouting out people who have sober fun. Like it's hard to find because it's so fucking hard to find now. It's actually so bad. Yeah, you don't know what these things are doing to your body, and just for that one night of fun, anything could happen, and it's not worth it personally. So guys, just be careful and be aware of what you're consuming just for that moment, because it's stupid. Okay, so for my waterline, I'm gonna go back into Queen Bee and use that for my waterline. I think it'll look quite nice and cute. And my final pet peeve about this generation is this, and you find this online everywhere, like people are not allowed to have their own opinions anymore. Like, if I was to give my friend an honest opinion and she told another friend that may not agree with it, she'll say, oh, she'll just hate him. Honesty is now a part of hate, apparently. Like, you can't be honest with anyone because they will look at it like you're just being jealous of them. And then you question yourself, like, what will I actually be jealous of? No offense. Like, it's scary to be honest. Like, it's a bit of a taboo to be honest in this generation right now. Like, I'm being honest with you, and I told you my honest opinion, and you have now labeled me as a hater. So please tell me how I'm supposed to be honest with you again. Like, everyone's too sensitive and everything. If I hate honesty from a friend, yeah, or even so, normally I like to hear honesty from people that don't like, because then they'll be brutally honest. But when I hate honesty, I never feel like, oh, maybe they just hate it. Do you know what I mean? You have to just at least digest the honesty or the opinion of the person. But it's everyone's quick to label someone. Everyone's quick to label someone. When I go through Instagram and I see some of people's opinions and stuff on the Shade Room, they're just saying their opinion, and someone else has already been like, oh, you're hating, can you even do the same? And it's like, oh my gosh, if you don't like an opinion, just scroll down. Must we address everything? Like, do we have to address everything, guys? But this is the look for this nice, beautiful palette. I'm gonna now do my eyeliner and everything and get back to you guys. But yeah, those are the things that, you know, annoy me about the generation of today. And if you're part of the millennials that don't do it, I congratulate you guys. You guys are the leaders of the future, trust me. But everyone else, like, I'm working on myself. I just wanted to get this off my chest. I don't think I'm perfect, but yeah, that's what kind of is driving about people of today. Like, sorry, I said what I said and I'll say it again. Okay, I've done my waterline, I've done my eyelashes, and all I'm gonna do is my lipstick. I don't even know what I want to do. Like, these days, guys, my lipstick game has been slacking. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna come back from work yesterday. My sister's like, ugh, I don't like this lipstick look. And I was just like, if I run up on you, you won't like yourself. But yeah, she kept it real with me, and I didn't call her a hater. I just cussed her instead. Guys, be brutally honest as you can be. Let me know what you think of this look. Guys, I use a combination of palettes. So I use the by Petra, most of it was by Petra, and then I also used the Make Magic by Kami, and then just a little bit of It's My Ray Ray that I got from TK Maxx as well. But that's about it, guys. Let me know what you think. Setting spray, bitch. Setting spray. Let me know what you guys think of this video. Do you guys agree with what I'm saying about the new generation of people and kids and teenagers today? If not, you can put down your comments below. If you do, put comments down below. If you have anything else to add to it, put in the comments below as well, because I would love to hear your opinion. Yes, and next week, guys, I'll be flying out to Paris, so it might be a little bit of a late video again, but it's a business trip. Woo-woo. It's a business trip, so yeah, I will get back to you as soon as I can. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and follow the blog Me and My Sister Share on WordPress. It will be scrolling down right now. And guys, I will see you in my next video. One other thing I do want to say though is be comfortable in the skin you're in. And if you want to change anything about yourself, do it the healthiest and the safest way possible, and do it for yourself, okay? And I will see you in my next video. Bye!